Roll it.
All right.
Get your shit handle up there. Do another big good.
That was stage 7, right? It is. Just annoyed by that line, aren't you?
I am.
Watch the bump up here. Net control, fast sweep.
Too fast.
Net control, fast sweep. Enter stage 7. WD2DW.
Remember this is that top of this going, don't kill us.
That's
back
what I
here.
told him to watch that bump this time. I say send it hard anyway because
Yeah, just do it. We're not
I don't want to either. That thing was gnarly.
vicious.
That last
All
one
4
was
times
really
you've hit it.
gnarly.
4 times?
All 3 times you've hit it.
It's hard to video, okay?
Need a hydro handbrake in this thing.
Dangerous, dude. We are not safe.
And they go faster than we do.
I want to drive that.
All right, this is the section right here.
Okay, right
Yep.
here.
This
So
is the
it's
bumpity
gnarly.
bumps. Go creep through it this
Is this
time.
two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive?
Yes.
4.
Yes.
Oh, I was really hoping it was two-wheel drive and you've just been fucking hammering it.
Well, we tried that once. And
I've been in 2-wheel drive before. It's an auto right now.
Wait, do
so
we not have spectators?
Yeah.
they might have all gone to the other spot. Who knows?
They probably moved off to the other spot. Hello.
They weren't all out there when I
Whee!
Jesus Christ. This is, what a great vehicle. You know what, normally I bag on GM, but you know what? Good for them.
Arrow clock
They're
2.
doing holy shit, son. Jesus.
Remember, he used to be a driver. Dear Jesus. Oh. I don't know. I'll have seatbelts on back here. Don't kill us.
Oh, don't?
I got health insurance, man. We're good.
We signed a waiver. Send it.
Yeah, I mean,
That's the funnest
Arrow
I
part.
would absolutely pull hair if he had any, but.
That's the funnest part of the whole thing right there.
It really
Because then
is.
the rest of it is just like donka,
Yeah,
donka,
the
donka,
rest
donka.
of it's a shit show.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty much. I don't know. I like this part down through here because it's pretty.
Maybe we'll see a deer or 2 again.
Okay.
Yeah, we've seen a couple of
Seen a couple where they belong, not on the road.
They probably all got PTSD after this. They'll pack their shit.
Those bougie ass deer.
The white ones are the bougie ones.
Yeah, they are.
She one say, get me out of here. Take me back to where you got me from.
Oh.
this is, I want to drive this so bad, but I want to do it not my vehicle.
So you want to be a co-driver?
Yeah.
That's where it's at.
Yeah.
Turn
Like,
left,
that's why I was
turn
asking if you
right.
had to have a key, yeah, had to have a cage.
You just drive it and go, watch this.
Oh man, that was a hard hit.
Remember, he took half your tire pressure out.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
He said,
Wait,
oh,
God,
that's
this
right.
vehicle.
Kyle.
Perfect.
The one
Then.
driving it.
Driving it like it owes money.
Yeah, just
Oh
remember,
man, it goes up so much easier.
You're not running on
You drive
70
them
now.
up and then you fix it and you don't get paid.
Please tell me you just never changed the oil in this.
I just changed the oil.
Do you?
And the radiator fluid.
And the radiator fluid.
I was really hoping you were just like, change oil every 20,000 miles. Whenever the light comes on,
Oh
it says
no.
no pressure.
Oh no, I had problems. I mean, I had problems with it before. So.
This drives so much better without the
You think
hot
so?
air.
Yeah, this is a much better ride.
Much better.
We'll see how it handles the, anyway,
Shit show down
the
there.
area we don't discuss.
The section
Thou shalt
shouldn't
not be
named.
named. Oh, much better.
And everything on that one, that was awful.
I need to hang out with you guys more. This is way better than fucking Ruin.
And you sit there for a long time waiting for them to come back.
With something broke.
With broke shit.
Yeah.
And you're just like, well, he caused all the problems. Now it's just my fault to fix it. Like, this is what it feels like. This is how my guys at work feel. I know it.
How are we going to know that you all are fixed and got out?
We're here.
Well, but what if you don't get it fixed?
Well, we'll die. We broke Granola bars.
You know, there's no bears up here.
Well, I'm hungry.
Well, bears will eat you, not you eat
He's going to eat first because he's going to in the car.
He just called you
He's
first.
a smart one.
Copy 1609.
If we fix it, I'm riding back with you. We're driving that shit.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to be hanging out the window. I'm going to play some music. It's only going to be Nickelback. And we're playing Nickelback. I listen to Nickelback.
Should put Highway to Hell on it.
Absolutely. No. It's no Nickelback November, which means you got to break the rules.
Car number 25.
Mama raised a rebel.
Car number 74. Car number 82. Car number 70.
Heck yeah, boys. Watch us this time. Got no air. We're ready.
And car number 51.
Is this just like a...
Oh shit, that's a tree!
Is this just factory suspension?
Yeah.
Bump.
I don't know because it's an ex-DOT truck, so they might have changed something on it.
That explains the color.
All highway miles, baby.
Yeah.
No, all idle time.
All idle, yeah. It's all idle all the time. I think it might have been at the last part of its life, it might have been an arrow truck, like one of those trucks that just has the giant arrow on the back of it. Because it's got this giant roof rack thing on the top of it.
Mounting arrow.
Yeah. And it had like a plexiglass shield between the front and the back, and it had like a I didn't get it with it, but it had this little like sliding tray thing, but I can tell it was there.
Yeah.
Right.
Is the owner like watching the races today?
Yeah.
Who?
Is he really?
He was up there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
Well, no, we're not going to go through that point.
Well,
But
like if he gave us some land, I sure hope he's getting some enjoyment out of it.
Well, his whole family was sitting up there on his
okay.
property watching.
oh, they were? I
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
see them.
The house that's up there is his house that they're living in right now. They're fixing to build one.
Okay.
And they were all sitting up there. Yeah, his wife was down here earlier.
There's somebody who was with the property too that's at that gate.
In the side by
side
side.
by
May have
side.
been
That's
like
his stepson.
Stepson.
At least that's what Nick controls.
Because that's not his first wife. So his first wife passed
Didn't
away.
do that
He got
right.
enough. Ooh, shit. Look at this. The
The
problem is you got
bottom
that
is
big
bad
deal.
here. Yeah, this is a bad one.
This is the double dip.
Yeah, that tree's dead, homie. I wouldn't be standing on it.
It's fine.
They keep walking farther and farther down this road because every single time we come past here, they're farther and farther down.
You're looking for treasures.
Oh shit. He gets fish too.
It's, you know where that is. It was on our side, not yours. You're safe.
I was on the bleeding
Ah,
side last
shoot.
time.
You know what I forgot to do?
But
I forgot to get full insurance on this thing.
yeah, right.
I'd
Upgrade
love to
the
hear that
policy.
State Farm call.
Like a good neighbor.
I got an fender bender with a tree.
It's pretty
Don't
bad.
ask why it's covered in mud. All right,
I was
I'm not
just-
here to be judged.
I was just on somebody's private property and
Right.
just
Yeah.
going through some trails, and it got a little muddy.
No, this happened on the interstate.
Exactly.
This happened on the
That's the
interstate.
best of that car.
Sir, why do you
Probably
have a
should pick it
pine
up.
tree in your back quarter panel on the highway? Hey, look,
Well, you see what had happened
you
was.
seen the movie Final Destination?
Yeah.
Exactly,
All
log
right,
truck.
well, exactly. That's what
I backed into a log truck.
Yeah, this is his house right here is where they live.
The house is over there.
Yeah.
Farther over.
He's got a water buffalo too.
Aero clock 9.
Oh shit, here we go.
All right, 4-wheel.
Not quite yet.
I was just reminding you before we got to where we
Oh
needed
no, I'm like gonna stop almost.
it. I was just reminding you before we got to where we were going to need it.
Yeah.
Because Sweep's going to stop. Well, we got to
Is this
drop
like
them
his
off. too.
driveway
We're
or
gonna
something?
stop too.
Oh, even better.
And well, and it goes all the way out to the.
There you go,
other
that's
side
where
of
we're
the school. He's got a gated road on that part.
Is that not where they are? Nope, that's Marshall. You're right.
He's like, you better slow
Look, I
down.
know where I'm going. I don't need you for navigation. I just need you for a radio and.
Shit,
I
you don't
need
even
y'all
need me
not
for
to
that.
fight, is what I need you not to do.
Listen, Mommy and Daddy get along. We just occasionally argue, okay?
Okay.
It's not your fault.
I want to do this so bad. Oh my god. Oh.
This part is not fun.
No, this is the shitty part, buddy.
the first thing we're gonna have to do is make you a hood exit exhaust on that car.
See, I think somebody hit the tree and took the bark off of
then
it
I'll let
right
you do
there.
that.
It does
yeah.
look like that, doesn't it?
And
Yeah.
it tightens up. It gets really narrow right through that section too. It's just like awful.
They're pretty strict.
They've got like rules and whatnot.
I know, how dare they?
I'm used
All
to
right.
it. Like,
So if you don't want rules, try gambling.
There you
Oh,
go.
yeah.
That's what you
well,
need
I
to
did
do.
lemons for a
Alright,
bit.
here we are.
I've only done on-road racing. I've never done off-road.
What'd you race in lemons?
What did I race?
Yeah.
I raced a McLaren.
Oh. I race.
Performance car.
I race an AstroTurf covered Kia Sophia.
Woohoo!
Thanks for
Nice.
riding.
You want to be careful.
All right.
Have fun.
Y'all have a beautiful day.
I'm gonna put
Got
my
all the
seat-
things. Perfect. Thank you guys.
I'm
good?
putting my seatbelt on before you get.
You good?
I'm good. Yep. If they can't get it fixed and we're not sent, well, we need to send somebody to check it.
Nope, that's
No.
their problem now, officially.
Oh, okay. Because we're stuck. This drives so much better without the air.
It really does.
I mean, it's crazy.
How's it getting colder? This is bullshit.
Well, I'm telling you.
I want my money back.
When the sun officially goes down, dear Jesus.
I can't wait to get in the hot tub tonight. Oh, I'm gonna need it. My neck's sore.
I'm stove up, as Granny would say.
I'm practicing. My neck, my back. I can't feel my legs.
There you go.
Yep.
Are they behind us?
No, they're gonna stay there. Well, shit, that was easy.
That was much easier that
Fuck.
time.
That was-
You
I didn't
gotta
realize
make
that
it.
was it too.
Oh, that was easy.
I didn't realize that was it. And I cut high again on the high side of that thing.
Yep.
I'm
No,
still
heavy
going.
sweep stopped with them to unload equipment.
No.
So we're on our own. How bad's Pit of Despair?
Not bad. It's just the hill climb part of it is the probably about the worst of it.
Cool.
Do you see? Oh, that's heavy sweep over there. That's what I'm saying.
See
It's
that
like
one?
headlights. Yeah, if you're ever on a stage and you see headlights, you have a problem. You have a very big problem.
Go ahead. Make control, be advised. We have
Come on.
car
Catch.
15, car 64, car
Breathe.
915, car 916.
We were going.
Have
I
all
know. That's the
cleared,
same kind of thing that I did last time too. And
We were going.
like we're going at like even a slower pace.
Please let me know if car 65 crosses the line. QSL, KL4BAH. Net control stage 8, start.
Rude.
Good start, go ahead. 34 is on stage.
We need to have a race up here in the winter when it's icy and snowy.
They have that. It's
called
called
Snowdrift.
Really?
Yes.
It's up on the peninsula of Michigan,
Mm.
right?
And then the final stage,
Bonfire Alley.
Bonfire Alley.
I want to do that one so bad.
Oh man, it
I
looks
saw
so
videos.
cool.
It looks awesome.
Looks so
As
cool.
the cars make the last turn,
Yeah.
all the guys down the last stretch have bonfires. There's hundreds of them down both sides.
Oh, wow.
And they just like throw wood on and hit them with blowers. So as you turn into this dark snow-covered abyss, whoosh, big fire. Oh, it is incredible.
I bet.
I've only ever seen it on YouTube. It's a bucket list.
I got you. Well, this hasn't been on my bucket list, but I'm glad I got to do it because I didn't know it needed to be on my bucket list.
Right.
So,
I like how far in these people are taking this turn.
Mm-hmm. Aero Club 10:30.
so literally, did they just bring us something down through here and scoop the dirt away to make the road?
This part, no, they didn't do nothing.
Okay.
It was grass.
Grass. And we just tore it up. Okay. The first few cars tore it up.
Now, the other section of this, when we were going along the fence and whatnot,
Yeah.
they took a grader and they graded all of that stuff. So that stuff was worked on. But this section, for some reason, they didn't work on it at all.
Control, stage 7 finished.
Well, they didn't expect it to pour the rain either.
Net control, be advised, car 65 has completed stage 7. I have a total of 11 cars started and 11 cars finished. Net control, KL1CA.
Good stuff.
We got nothing to do now.
Stage is clear. You know what that means? Send it.
Still no.
But if we're the sweep, who sweeps us?
Heavy.
Heavy.
Obviously.
Arrow clock 10:15.
Where we at, man? I almost missed that turn.
He went to sleep for just a second.
Micro naps. They say that's a sign of a stroke, but I will figure it out. This whole course would just be caution, soft, caution, soft, caution,
Slippy.
soft,
And slippy.
Slippy. Slippy's
Slippy.
my favorite.
Slippy's
Yeah.
the word too.
Caution, soft left, slippy. Caution, stay. I mean, upright.
Stay
like,
on the track.
Stay. Carry on. Yeah, get out of the middle of the fucking road.
I'll run your hair over.